ngoba u-2026 amaphupho ayashabalala. Nayi-ke inkonzo enkulu enkulethela yona, a prophetic pillowcase service, la sithandazela khona amaphupho wakho. Because abantu abalala ebusuku, abanye balala ngenyembezi, abanye banamaphupho amabi, abanye abazi ukuthi kusasa libaphatheleni, abanye bathi asinako ukuthula, because yonke into eyenzeka emaphupheni idetermine i-future yabantu. Ngifuna ukuthi uze kule nkonzo uphathe i-pillowcase yakho. The 20th ngise-Ceres 10 a.m. Worcester on the 21st 10 a.m. Grabo on the 22nd of August 10 a.m. egameni likaJesu waseNazaretha. Kanti ungakhohlwa ukuthi I am preparing you for Judgment Night.